around to the ride. I just want to share these awesome depictions on the wall here with you guys. Pretty cool. I do love that the entire thing is accessible. However, they do have an elevator that will take you up if you have mobility issues, if you're in a scooter or wheelchair, because these ramps are a little bit steep. So just so you know, they do have an alternative way. And if you have an accessibility issue, they will take you up that way. Almost there. Now they have an app where you can actually add a personalized experience for this ride, which is really cool. Glimpse into the gift shop. It is quite expansive. Raptor Mama has decided to join me on today's adventure. We're gonna cut through here. Ooh, we just cut the line, Mama. Everybody's probably wondering, where is Lisa today? Lisa has been given a day off for R&R. She's been working really hard lately. She totally deserves it. So we are gonna have some Hersheypark fun and get Hersheypark happy. What you think about that, Raptor Mama?
I think it's awesome. Let's roll.
So this is really cool. They actually have the timeline of all of the different candy, the dates that it was actually created. And that's pretty awesome. Wow. It goes all the way back to 1857. That was when Milton Hershey was born. That's this guy right there. Wow. Pretty cool. If you guys want to see every single date in the timeline, you're going to have to come here and experience this for yourself, because we have to walk pretty fast. There's a lot of people behind us. Getting closer. Look how close we are.
For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Look, there's dairy.
Hi, folks. Welcome to our dairy farm. The Hershey goodness starts right here with pure parental milk.
What did you think about her, Mama?
I love those. Look at the little pig.
Aww. Taste the love. Taste the love. There's even a rooster up there in the barn. Aww. Look at Cupcake. Hi, Cupcake. We're entering the Hershey Chocolate Factory right now, guys. This is super exciting.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go.
Let's go, Alex. Oh, check this out. This is cool. Look at all
Let's start
the
with
beans.
cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Uh-oh, we're getting ready to get roasted, Mama.
Yeah.
Scary.
I feel the heat.
Can you feel it?
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking paper, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa beans into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Yummy.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Wow, look at all that.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed down earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell.
Oh, I can smell the chocolate.
I didn't. I smell it. It smells really good.
Steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kit to explain the next step in the process.
These conching machines use thick granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumbs into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Goodbye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
This is my favorite.
There's Reese's up there.
Yum, yep. No, buddy.
All of that fresh,
There's a Hershey bar right there.
Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally
All
ready
the
to
Hershey
be
bars
packaged.
going up the conveyor belt.
Special dark bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, my personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Where's the Hershey's Kisses?
It's so sweet.
Oh, okay. So cool. I love this part.
Get the
Look at all the
boxes.
kisses.
Get the boxes.
Yeah. There she is. Get a kiss.
Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
That was fun. Those are cute.
Now, everybody say Hershey's. 3, 2, 1. Hershey's!
Ooh.
Okay, gang. Time to go share some goodness.
This is fun, Mama.
Whee! Our first ride.
Oh no!